It says solve the equation x squared equals 7x. Now remember, this is a quadratic equation because we see the x square. And to solve a quadratic equation by factoring, which is the only way we know right now, we use these four basic steps. The first step is to set the equation equal to 0 and try to get it into this form here. So we take the original equation, x squared is equal to 7x, and to set it equal to 0 we need to move this 7x over to the left side. So we subtract 7x from both sides, and we get x squared minus 7x is equal to 0. And it is in this form now. The only thing is the constant term is not there, so you can think of it as the constant term is just 0. So the second step is to factor it. Well, we can't factor it. It's not a trinomial, but we can factor out a greatest common factor, a GCF. The GCF here is x. So when we factor that out, we get x times x minus 7 is equal to 0. And to get back to this, all we do is distribute the x back through the parentheses. Alright, so the next step is to set each factor equal to 0. So let's rewrite this up here. Well, we got two factors here, so we set each factor equal to 0. X equals 0. Oh, okay, that's one solution right there. The other factor is x minus 7. You set that equal to 0, and you solve this little equation here. That's the fourth step, actually. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each of these little equations. We can solve this one by adding 7 to both sides. So the two solutions are 0 and 7.